Bumabati po kami ng magandang hapon. Today, we will again show to our viewing public one of the trusts of the Beautiful Heart Foundation, which is to care for the sick, the elderly, and the dying. We have been doing a lot of free clinics in the city of Davao over the last couple of months. Now, we will be looking at one patient that I saw in one of the poorest barangays here in Davao City. She consulted about her problems with her blood pressure. Right now, we have this patient here. Ma'am, anong pangalan ninyo for our televiewers?
Macaria Villarinti.
Unsa man ang naging problema nimo?
Taas ka po ang pressure sa akong dugo.
Taas imong pressure. Kano saan nagsugod?
Last year man ko na-admit.
Na-admit yun ka. But before the admission, ay mga series of check-ups where they wala nyo kay. So in other words, wala ka nagpa-check up sa imong dugo before that. Pila edad ni mo ron?
52.
52. Kay sa inyong pamilya na abay high blood ron, na abay
Mother na ko, madula, talangyod.
Talangyod, no? So 52, very young. And then last year, you were still 51. Unsay mga sintomas nimo nga nung nadala mo ka sa ospital? Nahilo. So gidala din ka diretso ka sa ospital.
Dili pa kaayo pag abot sa ospital, mag-nervous gani ko.
Oo, nakuyawang ka.
Abot og 300 ako.
Oo. Hilo regular dizziness, walay headache, walay blurring of vision, walay ingon ana.
Magpugol sa mata siguro.
Medyo na ikuan. Oo. There is imong nape area way kasakit. So more of dizziness. Pagkabot, pagdala nimo sa ospital at unsay gidala ka sa emergency room.
Emergency room.
Unsay na-discover nila?
Taas daw ko.
Pila imong
acid daw ko.
Ha?
Nada ko, pila ko acid.
Ang acid, bin hyperacidity sa kuto-kuto. So another problem to, pero sa imong blood pressure, pila ilang nakuha?
300. Gi-out ko sa hospital, 180 akong dugo.
Oh, so that time, 300 over
200 plus po.
Oh, wow. No, you're at the stage nga doon ka na may stroke. No, you're lacking. Usually, ang atong normal blood pressure sa adult, no, should be not more than 140, 150 systolic. Kanang sa taas ba, no, systolic should not be more than 140 or 150. Ang atong cut-off, between 140 to 150. If you go beyond that, no, let's say more than 150, medyo high blood na siya sa systolic. Sa diastolic, should not be more than 90. No? 90. So in other words, cut-off na to is that systolic 150 pananglitan, di na mo lampas niya. Ang imong diastolic 90, di na po mo lampas sa 90. Sa imong case, 300 over 100 plus. Or taas kayo na. No? Karon, you were telling me it runs in the family, no? Yeah, hypertension. We call it hypertension, no? Kanang high blood. Ang medical term ana is hypertension. Persistent high blood pressure, more than 140 or 150 systolic and more than 90 diastolic, no, for an adult. Karon, there are factors that will contribute to hypertension. As I've said, isa na, no, it runs in the family, murag heredofamilial, no. Pangalawa, imuhang lifestyle, no, let's say, it is very common for women or as they approach menopausal period, no, or when they are in menopause. So, before menopause, ang blood pressure sa babae can be below normal or sometimes normal. Pero pag abot na sa perimenopausal where your hormones change, no, ang isa diya ka-changes nga mahitabo sa isa ka babae is the cardiovascular system, no, mag-develop sila og high blood, ang uban mag-develop sila og mga hardening of the arteries, no, where they will experience chest pain or commonly hypertension, no, sa women, no, because of the role of estrogen nga naglubo na during menopause. Other than that, family, women during the start sa perimenopausal and then menopause, no. And other than that, lifestyle, let's say sa mga lalaki, when they smoke, no, smoking is a risk factor, a contributing factor, no. we know that smoking or the nicotine can harden also the arteries, no? The diet, no? Usahay kanang mga pasyente nga na high blood, they are so used to eating fatty foods. Kapag misis, nakaon ka ba yung ana? Hindi ka taba, ha?
Sabi December.
Oh, nasobrahan, no? So, isa po na dapat bantayan. Ang uban is the lack of exercise, no? So, the tendency for these people is they eat so much, especially fatty food, they become obese. No, manampok sila, and then they don't exercise, no, they don't walk. So, ang tendency yun is mag-accumulate ang taba sa arteries, no? We call it atherosclerosis, no? Mugahi ang mga arteries nato. So, blood pressure problem will set in, no? So, we're gonna po istorya na. Of course, another factor na medyo contributing sa hypertension would be diabetes, no? If you have strong family history of diabetes, or if the patient has diabetes, no, chances are the patient will also develop hypertension. No? And there are two types of hypertension. Generally, about 80 to 90%, they call it essential hypertension. No? Essential, or you call it primary or idiopathic. No? Ginasulti sa libro nga, most of the patients with hypertension, about 80 to 90% are essential, or idiopathic, or primary. Wala din ma-pinpoint nga cause. No, wala ma-pinpoint nga cause. May ay mga factors that contribute, pero hindi ma-pinpoint. The 10 to 20% of hypertension is called secondary, where we would attribute that to a problem in the kidneys, no? Renal ang cause, usahay, there are other diseases nga secondary, ang resulta is hypertension. But I would suspect in your case, you have primary or essential hypertension, no? Wala yung ganap itong strict, direct cause, pero there are factors that would contribute to it, which I already mentioned. Now, how do we avoid having hypertension? So, na yung mga katong dimension nato kanina, let's say, lifestyle, di ba? O medyo tamad ka mag-exercise, tamad ka mag-walk, you have to do that para ka mag-prevent ang hypertension. Diet, you have to avoid fatty food. Stress can also contribute to hypertension. So you have to have a good disposition, relax lang ka sa imong kwan. Of course, hindi mo ma-change imong family, imong history sa imong family, di ba? So, part of the management for hypertension is to have a healthy lifestyle, avoid kanang mga factors that will contribute, no? And medical approach should be to control the blood pressure. How do you control it? We have medicines that can lower the blood pressure. For the meantime, we will check your blood pressure. No? I-check na to kung sa kakas-up, no? Wala kayo gina-maintain. Siguro pagkagawas niyo mo sa hospital, nag-prescribe yung maintenance, no? Kung saan man mo gina-maintain ng tambal.
Sartan.
Ha?
Sartan.
Okay.
Aspirin, aspirin.
Oo, aspilet. No? Those are blood pressure pills, no?
Dapat isa diuretic.
Diuretic, na pampaihi, no? So, mga losartan, mga diuretic, those are standard.
Pero nagkuhan mo ko dok, nagbutbuot ko kambyo ba kay wala namang goy, wala namang goy.
Una costly food siguro.
Wala kayo itong kan ba, wala naman ito generic sa kuhan. Mas barato man gihatag tali doktor sa kuhan niya. Nagkambyo ko Neo Black.
Oo, actually Neo Black is a nifedipine, no? Calci Black ang banana siguro. Neo Black ang pinaka-cheaper brand. Sila yung BP.
134, 113.
Badas mo diastolic. Nakainom ka Neo Black karong buntag?
Kada buntag mo gainom 6 o'clock.
Oo, nakainom ka. So, imong systolic okay na. So,
iti gani pagawas ako sa hospital.
Oo. Pero ang problema gyapon kay 130 kung sa atong cut off sa diastolic gani, sa akong i-mention, dapat di mo lang pa sa 90, no? Now, kung saan man gisulta dito na ECG kapag ka-admit, i-check mo ang...
Naganak mo resulta.
Okay, ato tara yung ECG. Kay later on, we will also take an ECG nga bago i-compare nato sa dati nimo. No? We have a machine here that we can also check the status of your heart. No? Tawag natong ECG machine o electrocardiogram. No? During the time na ba na-discover sa imong heart?
Pas-pas lang ang
so paspir. Paminaw nato karon, paminaw nato ron.